guys, I've got a couple of 30mm padlocks here. It's very similar in appearance, apart from the branding really. The various dimensions are pretty much exactly the same. The finish is slightly different, but I would imagine the guts of these are pretty much the same as well. This is the key for the W branded lock, so it's just 4 pins. It does work, and the keyway is basically the same for the zone as well. Obviously that doesn't open because it's the wrong key. Okay, let's we're going to rake this one open, and we'll single pin pick the other one. Just going to use a city rake. So yeah, I only got to probably pin 2 or 3 there, and it just popped open. So I guess the back pins are already flush with the shear line. Okay, let's single pin pick the zone using a short hook. Start at the back and pin 4, 3, pin 2 I think. It's a little bit fiddly this, to get the binding order a bit better than I have. There we are. Yeah, so yeah, 2 fun little locks, pretty easy to open though. The feel is very similar when you're picking them. Alright guys, thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you soon.